Zorb is the name of the latest exciting sport to come out of New Zealand, the country that gave the world bungee jumping.
That's right. Now let me tell you about it. Zorb can be really exciting. Imagine this. There are two large clear balls. One ball fits inside the other ball. If you decide to try Zorb, you climb inside the smaller ball. Now, are you comfortable? You're almost ready to go, but not quite. Now, before you go, someone pours cold water inside the ball. Now, you get ready, and then someone pushes you down the hill. And as you roll down the hill, the ball goes faster and faster. And you go so fast that you're pushed up against the walls of the ball. But don't worry, nobody gets hurt doing Zorb. And when you stop at the bottom of the hill, you climb out of the ball. And you're completely wet. Now, it's time for someone else to try Zorb. Or do you want to go again?